Hi foodies, this is our next recipe, Pav Bhaji Masala. It's a very tasty dish and it's very easy to prepare at home. Let's go for the ingredients. These are the ingredients and you can prepare it with the available vegetables at home, but potatoes and beetroots are must because potatoes give you a good texture and beetroot gives you the good color. Put oil and add cumin seeds, let it crackle and saute for some time. Now you can add tomatoes and you can add other vegetables one by one. Saute. This dish is basically from Mumbai and now it's all over India. We use this Pav Bhaji recipe and this is a very fantastic recipe. Each and every one of us like this. Now add turmeric powder, little of salt and half spoon of Pav Bhaji masala. Mix them well. Add water as required. Mix well. Cover it and wait for 5 whistles so that the vegetables are cooked well. On another kadai, add oil and butter. In this recipe, we are going to add butter on and off. Let the butter melt. Wait for a few seconds. A good aroma. Now you can add onions. Saute well. And a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute well again. Mix them. And a pinch of turmeric powder. Saute. Now add capsicum. It gives you a very good taste and smells superb. Now you can add the remaining salt for the dish. Cook for 5 minutes. Now the dry masalas, dhania powder, mirchi powder and Pav Bhaji masala powder. Mix all the masalas very well. A little bit of butter too. You can skip butter in this point. Mix them well. Now check for the vegetables. We are going to add at this point. Check the vegetables are well cooked or not. It's ready. Now add the vegetables with the stock. Use the water completely. Let the masalas, vegetables blend with each other and cook the water for 10 minutes. Let the water get absorbed with the vegetables and use this Pav Bhaji masher. This is available in our description box. And mash it well for the required consistency. Add water and butter as and when needed. Check for the consistency again. Now use crushed kasuri methi. It enhances the taste and flavor. Use coriander leaves. If you want, you can add butter too, or you can avoid butter in this stage. Cook for 2 more minutes. The bhaji is ready. Slit the pav and now add butter on a hot tawa. Add coriander leaves, bhaji of 2 spoons. Mix it well and place the slit pav. Toast it for few seconds. This is one method. This method absorbs the full bhaji in the pav. The other method is add butter on the hot tawa, add dhania powder, mirchi powder, Pav Bhaji masala powder and salt and this coriander leaves. Mix them well. Place the slit pav and toast for a few seconds. This is the plating time. Place the pav and bhaji is ready for plating. Garnish it with spring onions or coriander leaves of your choice. Now you can also add onions, finely chopped onions, and a little piece of lemon and top it with a spoon of butter. Now the pav bhaji is ready. It's very easy and tasty. You can watch our other easy recipes in our channel. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.